Welcome to Benin, where history, culture, and magic collide. This West African treasure holds secrets that have stood the test of time. And today, we're unlocking them. The Royal Palaces of Abomey. Deep in the heart of Benin lies a kingdom of legends, the Royal Palaces of Abomey. These walls whisper stories of warrior kings, sacred rituals, and an empire that defied the odds. Did you know? Some say the walls were strengthened with human blood. A symbol of power and resilience. The Amazons of Dahomey. Before Hollywood gave us Wakanda, Benin had its real-life warrior queens, the Dahomey Amazons. Trained for battle, feared by enemies, and unmatched in skill, these women protected their kingdom with unshakable courage. Their legacy? Still alive today. Ganvié, the Venice of Africa. Now, imagine an entire city floating on water. Welcome to Ganvié, Africa's very own Venice. Built centuries ago to escape the horrors of slavery, this peaceful village has thrived for generations, with homes, markets, and schools, all on water. A living testament to survival and ingenuity. Closing scene, montage of Benin's wonders. Benin isn't just history, it's a living legend. From royal palaces to fearless warriors, from floating villages to timeless traditions. The magic of Benin is real. Would you visit? Drop a fire in the comments and share this with the world. End scene, dramatic. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys to the most magical places on Earth.